This is not a cold cut saw, but look at that cut. A couple people told me to take one of these and put it in that. So let's try it out. I didn't have the right size miter saw for that blade, so let's see what $80 gets you at Walmart. I'll admit I was a little bit skeptical. That cut is clean. So yeah, it works. Now the real question is, can I replace everything else with it? Oh, just a quick safety note. The blade speed is rated much higher than the saw speed, so I should be good to go there. This is 1x1 square tube. I use an awful lot of this stuff. Nice. How about a miter cut? Okay, no problem there. This is 1x1 angle iron. I use a lot of that too. Alright, still good clearance on the miter. This is what I'm worried about. I've got like 80 feet of this 2x2 square tube, piling it up for the Santa Maria grill build. Alright, that's what I was hoping for. And it handles the miter just fine. So for everything I'm doing now, this setup will handle it. I'm pretty impressed. It felt a little bit slow on the 2x2. I don't have a way to jig it up right now so that it comes in at an angle. The only downside I can see, at least with this particular saw, is that the dust port design is not great. Most of the sparks don't go through the dust port. They bounce off the saw, hit me in the face shield, hit me in the chest, hit me in the arm. I think I even took out the laser guide on the saw. But for the speed, accuracy, and cleanliness of the cuts, for $40 or $120 if you have to buy the saw too, I totally think this setup is workable. And I'm going to commit and use it on my next few projects. If I run into problems along the way, I'll let you know for sure. If you want to see what else I can mess up, check out this video. If you want to follow along while I figure all this stuff out, subscribe.